Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Barsa here. Today we are talking about how to change someone's name on Snapchat. You might want to do this if you have a nickname for someone or just want to update their display name. Either ways, I've got you covered. Let's get right into it. First, open up your Snapchat on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are in Snapchat, tap onto the chat icon in the bottom left corner to open your chats. Next, find the person whose name you want to change. You can either scroll down through your chats or tap on their name. Next, find the person whose name you want to change. You can either scroll through your chats or tap on their name in your friend list. Once you have opened their chat, tap onto their name at the top of the screen to open their profile. Now that you are on their profile, tap onto their name and you will see an edit option. After typing in their new name, tap on save button and just like that, their name will be updated in your Snapchat contact list. Remember, this change only affects your view of their name. It won't change their actual username or how anyone else see them. It's just for you to see a nickname or something more personalized, and that's it. It's super easy to change someone's name in Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.